Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be unboxing the iPad 9th Gen and the Apple Pencil 1. I'm gonna be having my initial impressions of these devices from the perspective of someone who never owned an Apple device before. The iPad to be specific. I have experience using a MacBook Pro at the office before, but I think having the iPad 9 with the Apple Pencil will be a different experience. So I have here the silver iPad 9th generation. The box looks premium. And I have here the 256 gigs of internal storage. I also have here the Apple Pencil 1. And take note that the iPad 9th Gen is compatible with the Apple Pencil 1 and not the Apple Pencil 2. So let's start with the iPad 9th Gen. As you can see, it's still covered with plastic, so we're gonna have to cut it off. If you're using something sharp like a blade, be careful not to cut yourself, because you'll bleed. It's very basic, so just cut the plastic and peel it off. And tada! Now we're gonna have to lift it off and shake it a little bit, so that when the bottom part of the packaging comes out, you're gonna have to assist it with your fingers, just like this one. You can see here the box, it's empty on top. And now, as you can see here, the iPad is covered in a paper. Unlike the iPad 8th Gen or the 7th, it's still covered in plastic. Now they're using paper so that it will be more environment friendly. So yeah, as you can see here, it's not the best way to remove the iPad from the box, so I wouldn't recommend doing this. So first, there's the flap box, including the paperworks, which most people don't usually read. We have here also the Apple stickers. So for charging, we have here the USB-C to Lightning cable. Yeah, pretty standard. This one, we have here a charging brick, which is rated at 20 watts. And I have here the US plug, since I think I got the US variant of this packaging. And now let's proceed with the iPad. As you can see here, there's a small tab on the paper, which is the one you should use to pull out the iPad from the box, unlike what I did. Very clumsy of me. So now, upon removing the paper, you can see that the screen is very reflective. And now here is the silver back, like a gorilla, silver back gorilla. Yeah, now we're back to the very reflective screen. As you can see here, I can reflect my lights and my face. So yeah, let me set this up first. And now let's unpack the Apple Pencil 1. So same basic method. You just cut the plastic off and be careful not to cut yourself. This doesn't come free with the iPad 9th Gen, and we all know that this one is a bit pricey. But I think spending a little bit more just to have one of the best drawing experience is gonna be worth it. And I'm confident that it will definitely be the best. So as you can see here, besides from the Apple Pencil, we have here the adapter for charging it with the cable, some paperworks, and then as you can see right there, the extra replacement nib for the Apple Pencil 1. In case it wears off, you'll still have one replacement. So let me just take this off. I'll press it on the tip. It comes off nice and easy, and oh boy, this one is hefty. As you can see here, the cover is magnetic. remove the plastic first before pairing it. So to pair, you need to first plug it at the bottom, just like the same when you're gonna charge it. So this is the way it charge, and this is also the way you can pair this up with your iPad. So it's kind of weird. It's like a antenna on your iPad, but that's the way it works. Just be careful in plugging it in and out so you'll avoid breaking the charging interface of the Apple Pencil 1. So first time writing, the experience is literally smooth because it's a plastic tip making contact with the glass. It will be on the slippery side, but it's something that I think I can get used to over time. So there you go guys, this is my unboxing and initial impression of the iPad 9 and Apple Pencil 1. Stay tuned for a more in-depth review of these devices. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.